welcome back to my channel. My name is Angel if you are new here, and welcome back to another video. So in today's video we are going to be doing a get ready with me, which I am super excited about, you guys, because it has definitely been a minute since I filmed a get ready with me here on my channel. But first, if you are not already an Angel babe, all you have to do is click that subscribe button and hit that notification bell, sis, so you'll be notified each time that I upload. And of course, we are starting off with the hair. So I wanted to go ahead and thank Luvme Hair for sponsoring today's video.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you, but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away, as you fade away.
It's been a minute since I've used this, and it tastes good. Ooh. I'm way too old to be sitting up here eating lip gloss, okay? I gotta do better. So now that the hair is done, let's go ahead and move on to the face. So for my eyeshadow, I'm gonna be using this Makeup Revolution palette. This is one of their reloaded palettes in the palette Iconic Fever, and Revolution is sold at CVS. So all the makeup that I'm using in today's video is super affordable and from the drugstore. So the first shade I'm going to go into is we're gonna go ahead and go with this shade right here. I don't want this makeup look to be too dark or anything, so I'm going to use this shade very, very lightly, and I'm just blending this in my crease area. Sis, we are basically only using 2 eyeshadows, okay? So for my lid, I'm going to take this shade right here and just pretty much blend it and apply it all over my lid space. And of course my lids are super small, so I am going to blend a little bit above my lids just to make my eyes look a lot bigger and so that you can actually see the eyeshadow that I'm using on the lid. I'm just taking a smaller blending brush just to make sure the 2 shades are blended together. Makeup Revolution, sis, and Wet n Wild hands down has to be my favorite drugstore eyeshadows. Like, there's literally no fallout on my face, girl, and we are working with shimmers. It's the blend for me, honey, okay? You see it. This is super simple, perfect for an everyday or just a daytime makeup look. 2 eyeshadows maximum. I do want to go in with a little bit of liner. In my previous, well, one of my previous videos, I really enjoyed using the brown liner opposed to a black one. So this time I'm going to be creating a wing liner using this Wet n Wild dark brown liner. This is like the thinnest, most easiest liquid liner brush to work with. So if you're a beginner, definitely pick this up, you guys. I'm definitely going to go get, I think they have a blue and they also have a black. That was super easy. And I just used a little concealer just to kind of help me clean up my wings and make them look more symmetrical. For my lashes, I'm just gonna throw these on right here. These are super duper natural. I got these from AliExpress a long time ago, girl. But they're super wispy. And also they're kind of long. They kind of remind me of the Ardell wispy lashes, just a little bit thicker. Moving on to the face, I'm going to be using this L'Oreal foundation. You guys know this is like my favorite drugstore foundation. I feel like since I've said this was my favorite, I have now discovered several others that are my favorite. So this foundation came with this miniature L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte Primer. I have been wanting to try this primer for some time now, so I'm glad that I have me a little sample here just to see what it's going to do and if it's really going to help mattify the face. Really smooth. It actually feels like a really good moisturizer, and it's actually reminding me of the Rimmel London Stay Matte Primer, which I used to really love a whole lot. Feel like I don't reach for that one a whole lot anymore because I just have some other ones that I am just really liking a lot more than that one. And as some of you guys may know, I have been at the beach, so sis, I have a little bit of a tan and I am loving it. So I am ready to use my summer shade. So this is in the shade 525 and we going in. For my concealer, I'm going to be mixing 2 together. I'm using this LA Girl Pro Concealer. Girl, we taking it back, okay? Like I said, all of these products can be found at CVS, and I'm just using the shade Cool Tan. So I'm taking this Milani concealer, and I'm just going to take a little bit of this and blend it in with the LA Girl Pro Concealer. And to set my under eyes and my forehead, I'm going to be taking this black opal powder. It has definitely been a minute since I've used this, you guys, but nevertheless, this is still one of my favorites from the drugstore. It's in the shade Neutral Light. This was actually one of the first setting powders that I started to use when I first started really getting into makeup. I have it in my makeup kit. I just really love this powder, especially for photo shoots, any flash photography. All of that is going to look really good, and it's not going to give you flashback. And then to set the rest of my face, I'm going in with this Black Radiance powder. This one's in the shade Creamy Bronze. You guys may not be able to tell on camera, but I love going in with my regular color face powder. I feel like for the summer months, you really don't have to do both. You can either choose a darker powder to go in with, or you can choose a darker liquid foundation. So going in with bronzer, this one is from Essence. Super duper affordable, you guys. This is the matte bronzing palette. This is the darkest palette that they have. Because I'm using studio lights, of course it's coming off a little bit lighter than what it actually really is. So I'm probably going to end up mixing, I don't want to blind y'all, mix these two shades together and probably just use this one because honestly, like I said, I do have a tan and I kind of need the darkest shade I can get, girl. Girl, this makeup is coming together, honey. I don't know if it's the curls, okay, or is this makeup. But I have been loving curly hair lately. And a lot of you guys, if you watch my vlog, have been commenting on my curly hair and how much you like it. So I'm loving it too, girl. For blush, I'm using this one from NYX. This is the Sweet Cheeks Matte Blush in the shade Summer Breeze. And of course we have to snatch the nose, so I'm just taking my nose snatcher powder at this point. That's what the name is, and we are about to do just that. And we're gonna add a little bit of highlighter just to the nose. I really haven't been wearing it on my cheeks lately. And plus, with the summer months here now, I pretty much get a natural glow within as my makeup wear throughout the day anyway. So I really don't need the extraness, okay? So Essence highlighter, this is Pure Nude, Be My Sunlight. This is so gorgeous, you guys. This is what a highlighter is supposed to do, okay? It's not supposed to put glitter all over your face. It's literally supposed to make you look like you're glowing from within. And this $5 highlighter, you guys, is like top tier. Like, this is better than Anastasia, Laura Mercier, Laura Geller, better than all of those, okay? So finishing up the eyes, I'm just going in with a little mascara for my top lashes, just to kind of blend my natural lashes or get any eyeshadow off the natural lashes, so everything can be nice and dark. Then I'm taking a little bit of brown liner in my waterline. Do not sleep on Essence, you guys. This is literally my favorite liner in general. They have my favorite liners. This one is in the shade But First Coffee Espresso, and I love warm brown shades on my eyes because I do have smaller eyes. Black can just be a little harsh sometimes, and plus this is a daytime look, so I want it to be super cute but not doing too much. So just going back in with that mascara. I feel like my hands have been ashy this whole video, girl, but we're not even gonna worry about it at this point. So going in with the mascara, and I'm just going to pull out my beautiful long bottom lashes. Yes. For the lips, I'm taking this lip liner from ColourPop, which is in the shade BFF4. I have two lips. I'm trying to see if I want to use this. This is really pretty, and it also kind of goes along with my eyes, or if I should just do a nude. So we're gonna go in with this one. This is from Maybelline, and this is their Lifter Gloss in the shade Ruby. It's this beautiful pink shade. It's a beautiful ruby shade. Exactly what it says. It's super pretty. Yeah, this goes a lot better. hair and makeup is complete, let's go ahead and jump into the specs on this unit. So the unit that I'm rocking in today's video is a undetectable 5x5 lace closure. So for this install, I pretty much wanted to show you guys this unit straight out the box and how convenient it was just to put it on my head and pretty much go. I did minimum plucking. I did not bleach the knots. I did not wash this hair. I pretty much put this hair on my head, did a little bit of plucking as you guys saw to the front of the hairline, and I did go ahead and spray it with my lace tint that I pretty much always use, which is this Ebin lace tint right here, just to kind of help better blend the lace with my skin tone. Deepwave hair is perfect for the summer months, you guys. It's super easy to maintain, super easy to detangle, especially Luvme's hair, you guys. Super gorgeous. You literally can take your bonnet off, use a little bit of water, use a little bit of product if you want to, and literally be out the door. I did decide to go ahead and define my curls using water as well as some of this Nairobi. Usually I don't use product in my curly hair, but I did want to define it. The curls a little bit more. It's very rare that you find a company, you guys, that has a really good lace as well as great quality hair. Usually it's one or the other, but Luvme hair, y'all already know, like Luvme hair, I love Luvme hair, you guys. They never disappoint me with the quality of their hair or the undetectableness of their lace. It's literally giving scalp. Like, you cannot tell me this is not growing out of my hair. Up close and personal, honey, it's giving scalp. If you are an angel babe, be prepared to be sick of me, okay? Because I am going to wear this hair all summer 2022. Do you hear me? This is gonna be my go-to hair, you guys. Super gorgeous, and I absolutely love the length. I'm so glad that I did get 24 inches. With curly hair, you do lose some length, so I did not feel like I compromised because I did decide to go ahead and go with a longer length. The unit itself is a perfect fit, you guys. Like, if you have a small head, like whatever size wig cap this is, I need this size every time, okay? The density on this wig is also really nice too, you guys. It's not too thick, it's not too thin. Normally, I don't like a super high density unit when it comes to curly hair because it just gets bigger and bigger and bigger. But this is literally the perfect density. I did decide to also go ahead and do some baby hairs, and I did heavy baby hairs. To me, at least. I love it though. It's super beautiful. 5x5 closure wigs are definitely the way to go this summer, you guys, especially if you don't want to be bothered with the ear flaps and all of that. You want to have a ready to go unit, completely glueless, ready to go, girl. You don't have to do too much. And I also do love that this 5x5 unit, you get so much parting space, and it literally goes back literally to the middle of my head. Coupon code, links, and all the information on this unit will be linked down below in my description bar below. As always, thank you so much to Luvme Hair again for sponsoring today's video, and until next time, bye. Mwah.